Dark secrets hide in sweet delights. Choco Pie is loved by millions worldwide. But do you really know its truth? Behind the sweetness lies a shocking past. Stay till the end to know its dark reality. It all started in the early 1900s. A simple snack became a global craze. South Korea made it a cultural icon. North Korea once used it as currency. But history is not its scariest part. Do you know what's inside Choco Pie? High fructose corn syrup floods your blood. Preservatives keep it fresh for years. Artificial flavors mimic real chocolate taste. But what does it do to your body? Sugar addiction hooks your brain fast. Obesity sneaks up with every bite. Chemicals damage your gut and heart. Diabetes risk rises with every chew. Is it worth the sweet deception? There are healthier choices to try. Organic chocolate bars taste just as great. Homemade treats are safer and better. You control what goes into your food. Don't let corporations control your health. The truth is darker than chocolate coating. Choco Pie hides dangers in every bite. Think before you grab another pack. Share this video to spread awareness. Subscribe for more videos.